Machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng Awuor. Familia moro koro noyango ringre nyako mane onegi e gwenge ma Mwanyani mayudore Machakos kaka nyargi manyinge Susan Nyaboke. Wuon Susan manyinge Peter Ondari lero ni nyare nowuok Limuru kama negidakie bang' yudo tich yo Machakos. Kuno ema wuoyi moro mane gin godo osiep mane ginyuolo godo nyathi ma jahigni 4 ichich ni noluwe mochwe onege. Wuon Susan omedo ni ok ging'eyo mathoth kuom wuoyino, mak mana ni nyargi nonyisogi ni wuoyino wuok yo Imbo ma Kenya. Omedo ni nyareno ne odak kuom wuoyino gi wuoyino kuom higni 2 bang'e nowuok ka gocho norome. Jatend kanisa mane Susan leme owacho ni Susan ne en nyako mane omako dini motegno. Ywak maduong' mar wuon Susan en ni okia kaka gibiro golo ringre nyare kowuok Machakos nyaka Kisii.
Nikaambiwa kuna msichana ameuliwa huku Machakos, na nikaambiwa ni msichana yangu. Mimi sikuamini, ikabidi mchunguze nijue kama ni ukweli, kama ni yeye ameuliwa. Furthermore, nikapigiwa simu nikiwa huko Limuru, nikaambiwa Susan Nyaboke ameuliwa na jamaa mwenye alikuwa bwana wake wa zamani. Sasa mimi sikujua mbona akaamua kumuua. Sasa inafaa tena hii mwili itoke hapa tena ipelekwe nyumbani. Hiyo gharama ni mingi sana. Sasa sijui kama nitaweza.
Kwa sababu kitendo kama hiyo ni kitendo ambao sio mzuri ambao alitendewa, na kwa hivyo tunahitaji maombi sana, hata kwa nchi yetu, hata kwa jiji zetu zote.
She continued to teach Sunday school, and at one point in time when she finished her Form 4, she went to her grandmother in Busia, and then we lost contact. Then she came again to her mother because she resides with us, and from that time, then this boy had once come to visit a relative. I think that's where they got that relationship, had got the baby. And from there, then we have found that I never knew that there was any follow-up, because as much as she got the baby has been with the grandmother.